Phrasal verbs. Listen and repeat after me. Get on. Get on. I think we got on the wrong train. I think we got on the wrong train. Here's the bus. Let's get on. Here's the bus. Let's get on. Have you got on the plane yet? Have you got on the plane yet? Get off. Get off. I tripped as I got off the bus. I tripped as I got off the bus. Let's get off the train here. Let's get off the train here. I get off at the next station. I get off at the next station. Get in. Get in. Messi got in the car and drove away. Messi got in the car and drove away. I saw him getting into the taxi. I saw him getting into the taxi. Get out. Get out. A car stopped and Messi got out. A car stopped and Messi got out. I'll get out when you stop at the traffic lights. I'll get out when you stop at the traffic lights. We don't get out much since we had the children. We don't get out much since we had the children. Put on. Put on. You should put on your coat. It's cold outside. You should put on your coat. It's cold outside. Just a minute while I put my glasses on. I can't read without them. Just a minute while I put my glasses on. I can't read without them. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Take off. Take off. Messi started to take off his coat. Messi started to take off his coat. Please take off your sunglasses. Please take off your sunglasses. Please take off your shoes at the door. Please take off your shoes at the door. Take out. Take out. Messi unzipped his bag and took out his football boots. Messi unzipped his bag and took out his football boots. They had to take out 3 of her teeth. They had to take out 3 of her teeth. It's time to take out the garbage. It's time to take out the garbage. Run away. Run away. What made him leave his home and run away late at night? What made him leave his home and run away late at night? He saw the cat jump over the fence and run away. He saw the cat jump over the fence and run away. Look after. Look after. Can you look after my luggage while I go to the restroom? Can you look after my luggage while I go to the restroom? Would you look after the place while I'm out? Would you look after the place while I'm out? The mother will look after him all by herself. Grow up. Grow up. What do you want to do when you grow up? What do you want to do when you grow up? Eat your vegetables so that you will grow up to be big and strong. Each of these plants can grow up to 10 inches long. Get up. Get up. I get up around 7. I get up around 7. Did you get up early? Did you get up early? What time did you get up? What time did you get up? Cheer up. Cheer up. Messi tore up the letter and threw it away. Messi tore up the letter and threw it away. I suggest that you tear up the letter and start over again. I suggest that you tear up the letter and start over again. He told the lawyer to tear up the old contract and prepare a new one. Filling, filling. All you have to do is fill in this form. All you have to do is fill in this form. Please fill in your name and address on the form. Please fill in your name and address on this form. Please fill in the blank. Please fill in the blank. Pick up. Pick up. Please pick up the pen from the floor. Please pick up the pen from the floor. I came to pick up Jack and drive him home. I came to pick up Jack and drive him home. Come off. Come off. A button has come off my coat. A button has come off my coat. The handle came off our door. The handle came off our door. After completing this video, you should be able to provide at least one example in the comments section. Get in, get out, get on, get off, put on, take off, take out, come off, run away, look after, cheer up, grow up, pick up, get up, fill in.